Hello everyone. So I wanted to make a quick demonstration video of a system I have been building. So it is a retrieval augmented generation system, and I'm hoping to demonstrate it and kind of describe my vision of where I want to take this product and the intents behind it. So it is a fully locally run large language model retrieval augmented generation system. So it's fully local, fully customizable, easy to use and set up, and it's model agnostic. So here I will demonstrate some of the features. We can process PDFs, we can upload emails, and then we can crawl data from websites. This requires internet connection. These two do not. We also do not require internet connection when retrieving information from crawled information. So if I go on this tab, PDF chat, the first thing that pops up is the model selection. So I have two models downloaded. Well, three. This is an embedding model. But I have Mistral, that's a 7 billion parameter model, and so is Llama 3. And they all are running on my laptop right now. So let me select Llama 3. And from this page, you can see I have some PDF documents that I found online and I uploaded. So to upload files, you just go on Browse Files and you can upload them. Once I upload, let me go on Documents and let's do CE marking. So you can see it is running and it processed one file and I can see it here. So it's 24 chunks, tells me when it was processed. I can also delete and clear the memory. If I want to discuss anything with those PDFs, I simply go to the chat with PDFs page and then I can ask whether it's on the mil spec or on the CE. So let me ask a question such as, what is method 5 for mil STD? So it does take some time running the models locally, but the advanced feature is that it is running locally. So here we get a response based on the provided context. It tells me what method 505.5 is, which appears to be related, and then here I can see where the pages is, so if I want to cross-reference it or if I want to check that specific information. It also says that there is no method 5. So obviously you are limited to what the model is capable of. It's not something like ChatGPT 4 or anything that powerful, as again, it is running locally. Next aspect of this tool is the email chat. So again, I have the model selection and here I uploaded some emails. So you can see that these were just dummy emails I generated with some content, and you can see when they were uploaded and when they were processed. So it gives you some information what is in the storage here. Ideally, I would want to expand this and hopefully do an integration with something like Thunderbird or Google or whatever the user is, what email provider they are using. So if I go on chat with emails, I can ask what is the email from drone info about. So I ask a question like this. I think this was one of the dummy companies that was generated. There's only one email from DroneConf, so it found that. Mentions manufacturing roundtable. Email was sent April 22nd and invites Philip to a roundtable discussion May 22nd. So it paraphrases the email, and again, it gives you sources and where it is looking for. So after this, I can do follow-ups or ask it to make drafts. And if I have more emails, hopefully the user can save some time and query their emails much faster than going through threads or finding out who said what. This way they can instantaneously get an answer to what is going on. Next aspect of this application is the web crawler. So Here I can select a URL for crawling, so I just tried Milwaukee Tools, allow domain. Crawl depth, this the user can set, albeit it takes longer to crawl pages when there's multiple links to go through. You also get more content. I can check the latest file distribution, so going on to the advanced settings, so crawling strategy, I gave it keywords to score. I can select the minimum content score, and this you can play around with, but it's features that are part of the crawling system. And as I was saying, once I have the information crawled, on the content management, I go on clean crawl data, as the processed information is quite messy with a lot of HTML as part of it, so this needs to be cleaned. And afterwards I can show the file distribution, so you can see that there is some, I want to say, normal distribution in this score, how it is scoring it, and then uniqueness distribution to give you an overview of the data. And you can see here as well to make inferences on this information that you crawled. So those keywords are helping it score that information. So the way to let me think, chat with the content is this tab. Again, you select the model, and I can ask anything about what I know or crawled about the company. What tools does Milwaukee make? So this would get information on what information it got through that first crawl. If I want to do a whole website, it will be more in depth. There are no tools mentioned in the given context. The content appears to be product description and specification. So here I can see relevance scores again. This would take me to the URL, so it links the URL. So I am online right now, but it goes to their website. Just to demonstrate, I will turn off my Wi-Fi here. Give me a second. Turn off Wi-Fi, so we just do a proof of concept. I can no internet connection. So again, I can go on email chats or PDF chats, chat with PDF. What is method 505? And then it will run and retrieve information on that. I can see there are several, so the model does run without the internet here. And the last feature I added was this simple chat. So if you just need to get information that models have been already trained on. So let's see if this gives me an answer. Eiffel Tower, some typos there, but this is a simple chat that a user has access to. So the model has been informed on this, and again, it's not using any internet. And yeah, that is the main features of this application as I'm working through it. I'm hoping to do it in a container where a user can just download it and have it as a desktop application. As a software, they just double click, and anybody can within a company can run it on their laptops and have their emails or whatever kinds of local PDFs that they can't share stored on this. So for example, a use case I have been thinking of is lawyers looking for information or get insights about a case, so they might upload some things that they're not able to upload to a cloud hosted LLM, such as case names or case files, and this way they can query it and get faster responses. Same with medical practitioners, so to not break HIPAA, it would run locally for them, and they don't have to break that HIPAA compliance, and they are compliant within this scope if they have it locally. So these are just some of the applications of a local retrieval augmented generation system. So any feedback is very much appreciated. If you have any suggestions, what you would like to see or how you would want this application to function or look or feel, or if a big aspect is some customization you would want, I'm open to chat and hearing some feedback. Thank you for watching.